Hi family, welcome back and thanks for coming back. While installing these chunky braids, I want to tell you a few things that I wish someone told me when I started out my natural hair journey. Had it been I knew all these things back then, that's about 6 years ago, I probably would have waist length hair right now, and I would have also saved quite a lot of money, a lot of time, and some tears too. So if you're a natural hair beginner and you are doing everything that everyone is doing, but your hair is still dry, breaking, or not growing, then this video will help you a great deal. Please continue watching. Before we get to the things that I wish I knew, nowadays everyone wants to do their own hair, and I don't know if you guys also struggle with parting your hair as much as I do. Anyways, with chunky braids, once I have something that looks like a good part, I braid about 5 steps tightly, then I loosen the grip and loosely braid the rest of the hair on the section. And chunky braids can be done on stretched or blow dried hair or on wet hair. I just washed my hair last evening and I'm installing the braids this morning. One of the first things I wish someone told me at the very start of my natural hair journey is that my hair will never look like anyone else's, even if we use the same product. As a beginner, it's easier to believe that if someone's hair looks good, then their routine would be good for you as well. But hair is not a one-size-fits-all. And if I knew this earlier on, I would not have wasted my money and my time buying the exact thing that my hair celebrity was buying and doing the exact thing that she was doing for her hair, just because I wanted my hair to be like hers, which was impossible. And that's because her hair texture, her density, her porosity, and other aspects are different from mine. Also, knowing earlier on that my hair will never look like someone else's would have saved me the emotional stress of looking down on my hair or feeling bad because I did everything someone else did, but my hair still did not look like their own. So if you're a natural hair beginner, just keep in mind that your hair is never going to be the same like another person's hair. Secondly, I wish someone told me to study my hair instead of copying routines. If I knew better back then, I would have observed how my hair reacts to things like water, oils, and protein. I would have asked if my hair feels better after water, after oils, or after proteins. Does it tangle easily? Does my hair shrink faster? Or does it feel dry within hours? And the truth from these questions would have saved my hair a great deal. For instance, knowing that my hair softens immediately when I spray water on it, and that my hair feels more alive when damp, and that my hair dries out fast but revives with a little touch from water, would have helped me to understand that my hair will thrive in good hydration and light sealing, rather than in more oils and frequent protein treatments. This way, I would have avoided the earlier mistake of oiling dry hair. So if you're a natural hair beginner or you have never really ever studied your hair, then you should focus more on studying your hair. Thirdly, I wish someone told me at the very beginning to not chase length. Had it been I knew this, I would have avoided the viral 30 days hair growth hacks that are just hyped, and I would have focused instead on the breakage in the sink, checking if it's increasing or decreasing, and then finding out why, and focusing more on the ease of detangling my hair. Because hair growth is slow, and that is very normal, and length comes naturally when breakage goes down. So instead of paying more attention to how much your hair is growing, you should rather pay attention to how much hair you are losing or how much the hair is breaking, and then finding a solution to that. I wish I knew 6 years ago to forget about hair typing and focus on hair behavior. If I was starting my hair journey again now, instead of trying to know whether my hair is 4Y, 4T, 4C or 4 anything, I would ask myself these questions about my hair. Is my hair fine or thick? Does my hair take water faster or slower? Does my hair like protein or not? Does my hair tangle easily or not? The truth is, knowing whether your hair is 4C won't help you if you don't know whether your hair is fine, thick, or protein sensitive. Hair types does not tell you how to care for your hair. And for the record, 2 4C heads can need completely different care. So hair typing is not all that important, but knowing that you have fine hair strands will help you or will lead you to avoid heavy products that would otherwise weigh so much on your hair. I wish I knew to build a boring routine and stick to it. If I knew better, I would stick to 1 cleanser, 1 conditioner, 1 moisturizer and 1 sealant, and I will give it 3 to 5 months because hair responds slowly but honestly. And doing simple things regularly like cleansing, moisturizing, and gentle handling matters more than any miracle product. So I would have stuck with a simple routine that is easy to follow and easy to maintain. I wish I knew that my hair would change over time, that what works today might not work forever, and that is normal because changes may come due to length, weather, hormones, health, and even age, and that it is okay if I have to change my routine again. So if you notice that what used to work before no longer works again on your hair or for your hair, please, it's okay. Just try again and you'll definitely figure out something that will work at this point and at this stage. This one hurts so much, but I really wish someone explained to me that protective styles can be damaging. If I knew this at the start, then my edges would be fuller today. I would have kept my protective styles a little loose at the edges especially and at the ends, and I would have taken them down in good time. Believe me, this would have saved me quite some length. Finally, I wish I knew to love my hair at every length, to stop waiting for my hair to be long before I would love it, because hair that is cherished, respected and cared for at short length thrives at long length. But now that I know better, it's not too late for me to start doing better. Neither is it too late for you to start doing better as well. Alright family, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found value in it, and also kindly share with someone who is still starting out their natural hair journey. Also, let me know in the comment section if there is a particular point you agree with or disagree with, and I will see you in another video, or I'll see you in the comment section. Bye.